Alright, welcome back. I have my list of knots I have to go through. Well, the basic knots. Found out that an overhand safety knot is, well, just what it is without the safety. And, well, if it's a knot you guys don't know how to do, I'll show you right quick. Wonder if I should wait a couple seconds so I can at least hit like a minute. Well, screw it. You want to make your loop. You want to put this through the back. It's just a frickin' granny knot. Single granny knot. That's your overhand safety. Again. Like, just call it a granny knot. Overhand knot. Don't even add safety. I know it's good for a stopper, so it doesn't get tangled, doesn't fall out of a rope bag, rope stopper, whatever. But it's just a granny knot, like. Well, I guess I can mark that one off my list.